Well, hello there and welcome to a little YouTube workout review video. First time I'm ever doing this, and you are lucky, my friend, because this is the time I would usually be doing a very fun dance fit workout. But no, not this week, because I am making this for you so I can review a HIIT YouTube workout video to see how good it is and give you some pointers on what to look out for in a good session. Maybe some red flags if there are any. What's this doing? Hello. I'm going to be doing a Happy HIIT 15-minute workout by Monica Fit, I think the name was, and I have no idea who this lovely lady is. We're about to find out if she is a good instructor. I just hit play and already I'm scared about the music choice. It's not for me. I am happy that she's included a warm-up and cool-down because that's so helpful. I hate it when you don't get that. Now, if you are on the hunt for some stellar workout guides, ideas of how to train, you're not sure how to eat for your goals and you want information on that, and just generally how to personalize a training plan for you, yourself, and not I, but you, yourself, and ye, then I have a lovely little treat for you. I have the Awkward Gym Gals Rescue Plan. 4 weeks of free coaching to take you from awkward gym newbie to badass beesh. You got this. Feeling confident in the gym, knowing what to do, feeling excited to work out. But anyway, it's all down there if you wanna go grab it. Go have yourself some free exercise. That's what we're gonna do now, because we do have a freebie. All right, apologies if my ass gets on show. This squat, lovely little squat we have here. She does me dirty, and the short bits, they rise. So we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna do this workout now, and then I will review it for you. Probably tomorrow. You'll probably see me not sweaty faced, but fresh and gorgeous and beautiful and glowing.
Olha só minha ponto treta, tu nunca prestou atenção. Olha o bico do fuzil, vai tomar só rajadão. Vai, toma, 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 vai, toma rajadão. Olha o bico do fuzil, tu nunca prestou atenção. Vai, toma, 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 vai, toma rajadão. Olha o bico do fuzil, tu nunca prestou atenção. Olha só minha ponto treta, tu nunca prestou atenção. Olha o bico do fuzil, vai tomar só rajadão. Toma rajadão, vai tomar só rajadão. Olha o bico do fuzil, tu nunca prestou atenção. Vai, toma, 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 vai, toma rajadão.
It's review time. Are you ready? Buckle up, buttercup. I don't think I actually said what the video was called yesterday, but it is 15-minute Happy HIIT workout, all standing, no jumping by Monica Fit. And it was perfectly fine. I appreciate it's a no jumping one, but for me, this was not a HIIT workout. So if you don't know, HIIT stands for high intensity interval training, which means you are going to be doing phases of very intense cardio type moves, followed by a short rest period where you're either just like gently walking on the spot or something like that, or just resting and then repeating and going again, which obviously really challenges your body and it's a different way of challenging your cardio. I do appreciate, obviously, not everyone has the joints or the ability or mobility to do very explosive movements that do require jumping in order to help support that HIIT. So having a no jumping one is obviously very accessible to everyone, which we love. We love accessibility when it comes to fitness. But I do think Monica there could have done a little bit more to make it a bit more high intensity, because she was moving through the moves quite slowly. If this is a very new beginner, you've never really done any fitness before, again, this may be intense enough for some people, but generally it could be done a little bit more explosively and a bit faster than she was going. And as you'll see in the video, I kind of just started doing my own thing because I actually wanted to get my heart rate up, and like if I'd followed it completely, my heart rate would have not have risen at all. And with HIIT, it is going to get up. It's a lower intensity cardio, means your heart rate's getting up slightly, but you can still talk quite easily. You're not super out of breath, whereas HIIT, you're going in hard, man. Oh, one thing. The reason the music was so bad to start with, I mean, I did not enjoy the music anyway, but the reason the music was so bad to start with was I didn't realize I had it on double time. which maybe it would have made the workout better for me. But when we'd slowed it down, the music wasn't as bad, but I still love it. Some really great things from it though was, as I said, she's got a warm up and a cool down in it, which is fantastic because I think, again, if you are new to fitness, you don't really know what you're doing, you go on YouTube and you look for a workout, and then someone's just going straight in, you may not think to do a warm-up, or you don't know what to do as a warm-up or a cool-down, in which case you're not preparing your body to do the more intense activity, which can lead to injury, which nobody wants because that stops you being able to stay fit. And it can also mean that you don't recover as well the next day. And that could again stop you from wanting to do fitness if it's making you feel really sore and uncomfortable. It was also a video that didn't have any cues, so it was just music and you followed along, but she didn't talk you through anything. There was no voiceover, anything like that. Now, I'm not overly bothered either way because with this, for example, I did not enjoy the music. So when there isn't talking, I always have the option to mute a video like this and then I could put on my own music, which we'll love. So it's not a massive thing for me. However, because of the way this video is, I feel like it is designed for real beginners. And I think really, if you're a real beginner, you need that little bit of support. You need to be told how to perform a move correctly and just maybe a little bit of guidance throughout the workout. So that would be an issue for me, given that this video seems like it's for real beginners. I feel like that is probably more important. But overall, I think this is an absolutely stellar workout video for anyone just wanting to move their bodies, because no, it's not technically HIIT. Yeah, there could be some differences there, but if it's getting people moving, it's getting people moving and grooving, and we love that. I don't know why it was happy. There was nothing about it that made me feel overly happy. And I did go and do some dance cardio afterwards, because that does make me happy. Yeah, I would check it out. Old Monica Fit. Don't know who she is. I'm sure she's very lovely. I don't feel like I don't know her because I didn't hear her voice or anything, but I'm sure she's absolutely wonderful. Can we have a little look what else she's got? Monica Fit. She's a girl on a mission. We like a mission. She does weekly workout videos. Cool. So she's cool. Has anyone seen that Shania Twain meme? Cool. Yeah, she's got, I mean, maybe I should try out some more. She's got quite a lot of HIIT videos on here. Mostly HIIT videos, some stretching, bit of yoga, bit of dumbbell workouts. I'm sure she's fabulous. What are her credentials? Because that's always important. She ain't 7. I don't think she's a qualified trainer personally, because I think if you've got the credentials, you're telling people, you know? That's it. That's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next one.